They say goalkeepers are just shot stoppers. But this is something else. Pure instinct, lightning-fast reflexes, a human wall with zero fear. Watch closely. He doesn't just react, he predicts. Before the striker even shoots, he's already flying through the air like a superhero. You're looking at it. This isn't just goalkeeping, it's an art form, a battle of nerves, a game within the game. And this keeper, he's winning. Still think being a goalie is easy? Think again. These are the insane skills you need to see to believe.